Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline styles. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS outline style with non-value. Back to our document. In our previous tutorial, we are having this where we discussed about the CSS outline style of outset. And right now, we are going to be giving it non-value. For you to see how it works, let's give our outline style property in our fit set element. Let's give it non-value. Definitely, this non-value is indicating that we don't want any outline there. So back to our document. When we reload our document, you are going to see we will not have this outline there again. Let's reload. Can you see when we reload, we don't have the outline there anymore? So let's now say, for instance, we want to use this in another element, which is our body element. Let's comment this out again so we can practice it with it also. Let's go back to our body element right here and give it outline style and give it property of none. I'll give it property of none. Let's reload our document. Can you see when we reload our document, our outline is not there right here again? Also, we don't have any outline in our body element. So you guys can see how the outline style property of none works. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. To the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.